Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are having a great day. Unfortunately, I had to do a voiceover because the audio in my video wasn't great, but this is going to be the installation of the short shifter, the GR short shifter, which are very hard to find these days. So here is the GR short shifter, and as you can see, it's a lot shorter than the stock shifter, which is great. To remove the trim, you're going to want to use a plastic trim removal tool. They are pretty easy to find at any auto parts store. As you see here, you can use your hands as well to remove the plastic trim. It's actually pretty easy to get the trim up with your hands, but I do recommend also having a tool to remove the plastic trim as well, because there are small spaces that can pinch your fingers. So this tool will help you get into those tiny areas so you don't hurt yourself. To remove the boot, all you have to do is push down on these tabs that are on it. I would do both sides at a time and it will come loose. To remove the cup holders, you have to open up the center area to get it out, because the clips are going to be inside of it. Make sure to remove all the connectors. They're pretty easy to remove. You just push down the tab and pull on each. As you can see here, I am removing my 2J racing bushings. I will be reinstalling them with the GR Corolla short shifter. These plastic tabs, all you do is pull on them and they come right out. These black pieces that are holding the shifter in, all you do is turn the knob on them and it slips right off the shifter. Another camera died. That camera died that I was using before, so I have to get my phone out. But that's it now. It's beautiful, right? It's so small. It's like so short. The other one, I believe, was like 2 of these on top of each other. So I think the other one came up to at least like right there, which is crazy to think about. And let's go through the gears just to double check. But yeah, this is beautiful, guys. I love it. Let's go in reverse. Beautiful. Let's go in neutral. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. All there. Neutral. Yeah, but this is amazing. I am so happy I did this, because look how just giant. Look how giant this thing is compared to that. That's beautiful. I don't know why they didn't come with that already. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and until next time, peace.